The most important aspect of any trade is when you sold. For people hodling Kaspa for over a year, when the 2025 market top takes place, that peak volatility will be so strong. It'll be $250,000 at least, $50,000, $100,000 swing every 48 hours. The traders investing their time and energy into the study of technical analysis will maximize the 2025 peak. Meanwhile, everybody's like, bro, I'm just going to dollar cost average and I'll do fine. Everybody's going to dollar cost average. It's the technical analysis who will be the ones walking away with the Bentleys from their Kaspa bag. Meanwhile, the guys who just DCA out, bro, they're the ones that are going to get a down payment on their house. We're going to showcase uncanny price callouts that reflect the exact price channel Kaspa is in right now. We're stripping layers of this away that can be found inside VIP and just giving a bare bones projection of the repeating trendline system. That's a standard operating procedure that brings classical patterns designed for the stock market. That whole charting system we all know, cup and handle ascending triangles, that was built for stock charts. Crypto is a totally different beast, and our standard operating procedure augmentates those patterns onto crypto charts. We'll get into more of that in a minute. Let's take a look at our MLS, our managed learning system. This just booked our VIP group the third most profitable swing trade across the entire crypto market. That's over 10,000 projects that we could have grabbed onto. We somehow got the third most profitable over a 2-week period, excluding micro caps under 10 million. Guess what the project was? Polychain Capital's Spectral. We have a full 24-point report illuminating why this project is going to be a massive gainer into the 2025 peak. Jumping back into the technical analysis on Kaspa, everybody can see this clear downward price channel that we're in. This actually has repeated itself multiple times across the Kaspa chart. To get a better understanding of Kaspa's current repeating downward price channel, we'll look to the prior one to get insight. This is a screenshot from inside VIP group where we were able to accurately project not only the price level where Kaspa was going to turn around, but what pattern it was going to create. As we can see from this 2, 3, 4, that's for the inverse head and shoulder pattern that exactly appeared on Kaspa's chart as the bottom formed, changing its entropy to the upside. This allowed our VIP to buy cold storage at the rock bottom price. I get tons of thank you mail. People coming in with over-diversified patterns. They want to streamline into Kaspa and they want to save money doing it. We also got the 12.25 leverage trade with 7x power that survived the carry trade wick. Speaking of the carry trade, this is a VIP post made on Friday recognizing yet another head and shoulder pattern was forming, advising everybody to set their stop loss at 18 cents before this black swan event even rolled out. Zooming out and getting a bigger picture, taking profit into 2025, notice how there was all these head and shoulder patterns forming one after another. Traders at home who are seeing how this can affect the bottom line of their 2025 market top alone, remember, it's cool to reach out and ask for help. Everybody's like, yeah, I'm an alpha male, dude. I don't need to take advice from anyone on how to invest in crypto. I've got a book on how to do it. A book on weightlifting isn't as valuable as having a personal trainer. Watching UFC fights isn't as good as going to a jiu-jitsu class. I've gone to every seminar, hired one-on-one VIP coaches for trading the stock market, read tons of books and more white papers than anybody else in this niche. It's cool to reach out for help. looking at the Spectral trade to get into more basics that's commonly misconstrued across social media, notice how we didn't set the buy alert at $5. Even though it did swing low below, I actually picked up my additional bag of Spectral at $4.93 and then again even more at $5.20. Because often traders will set their price targets to a flat number. Remember everybody going around saying, once it gets to $1, I'm going to sell. That is a terrible plan. If they were to say something like, once it gets to 93 cents or once it gets to $1.13, my ears would have perked up and I would have been like, whoa, what is this dude trying to put down here? Round numbers, like Kaspa just got stopped out at 20 cents. It shot up a little bit above. That's going to be a massive barrier upcoming. And there are entire studies built just around the trading of round numbers like 10, 100, and 1. So in this scenario, we're getting up to the $5 mark. Forget about $5. Start turning that into $4.74. The standard operating procedure known as repeating trend lines is yielding unbelievably accurate Kaspa charting insights. In 45 days, once again, we're going to be showing flashbacks to everybody in VIP, how much money they made buying the exact bottom cold storage and with leverage. Meanwhile, the managed learning system just booked everybody in our VIP the third most profitable swing trade in the entire crypto market. Because these are systems, they're easy to digest and learn. There's no copy trading here. This is all about making the group members grow in strength. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.